Hello everyone. In this short video, I will be reflecting of the experience our group recently completed a 7-day waste audit of our household, um, so that we can better understand how much waste we generate, what we can recycle, and how we can work towards a zero waste lifestyle. Over the week, we recorded, sorted, and weighed all our waste, from food scraps and paper to plastics, glass, metals, and even hazardous waste like light bulbs and medical materials. One of the first things that stood out was how much non recyclable food waste and single use plastics we throw away. On some days like February 11th, we generated 6 kilograms of waste, and nearly half of that was food waste or light bulbs that went straight to the landfill. The experience opened our eyes. Here's what we observed and concluded. Observation 1. We throw away a lot of recyclable materials simply out of habit. Things like glass jars, metal cans, and paper were often mixed with general trash. Observation 2. Food waste was one of the most consistent non recyclables. Instead of composting, we were just dumping it. Observation 3. Sorting waste manually made us aware of how small lifestyle changes could make a huge difference. So, what did we learn? Warning 1. If every household produces this much waste, we are massively overloading our landfills, and most of it doesn't even need to go there. Warning 2. A lot of recyclable items are only recyclable if they're kept clean and separate. Dirty plastic or food stained paper, it's going to landfill. Warning 3. Household hazardous waste like light bulbs and medical waste often gets ignored but needs special disposal methods, or it can be dangerous. This audit has really changed my personal convictions about waste and recycling. Before, I thought recycling was enough. Now I understand it's about reducing waste at the source through composting, reusing, and avoiding single use items. I've started using reusable bags, sorting leftovers more wisely to avoid food waste, and looking for zero waste alternatives at the shops. Even using different colored bins in the household has helped me to stay organized and committed. In the space we audited, we took a few steps that already started to make a difference. Composting, where we created a small compost bin with using food scraps like peels and coffee grounds, for example. Color coded recycling bins, blue for paper, green for glass, and red for plastic. Reusable items switched to reusable grocery bags and containers instead of single use plastic. This wasn't just a project, it was a wake up call. It's easy to ignore our impact until we physically handle our waste and see where it goes. We believe that every person or household did a simple waste audit, we could shift from a throwaway culture to a more sustainable, mindful one. Keep making conscious choices for our homes, our communities, and also our planet. Thank you for watching.